guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered this studio setup to kind of see if I can improve on the quality of my videos, and this has been in the house for like 3 weeks now. I've just not had the time to unbox it, but today I decided to unbox it and see exactly what comes along with this studio. So if you want to see what's inside, and continue watching. So the first thing that you see is the background. So it comes with 3 different backgrounds. It has the white background. For green screen lovers, it has a green background. And for black background lovers like myself, it has a black background. So this is one of the things I was looking at as well. When I saw that it had 3 different backgrounds, I really fell in love with it, and I really wanted to purchase it. So it has 3 different backgrounds that you can decide on if you want to use. So I like that it has 3 different varieties that you can pick from. And then, I don't know what this is, but I'm just going to take it out of the box one by one so you guys can see exactly what's in there. It's a lot, you guys. It's a lot that's in here. So I'm going to be taking out everything one by one so you guys can see. And I really love the packaging, because what I'm seeing or what I'm looking at in the box, well, let's look together, you guys. Let's look together and see how professionally packed this box was. So the packaging is really amazing. I'll give them 5-star for that. Well, not 5-star just yet, because I need to see if everything is in here and not broken. So I don't know how to set this up, so I'll probably just go with the flow. This is the soft box. This is the soft box lightning. So it comes with 2 soft box lightning. So this is one of them. I'm gonna put that there. And then this is the second one. So I'm just making sure everything is good. So this is the second light box. You can see that. I really want to set this up so I see how everything comes together. I'm probably going to put this right there so I can have enough room. Then it comes with 3 umbrellas, which I love. There's 1 umbrella, 2 umbrella, and 3 umbrellas. So this is just to help with the quality of the lighting, and I like that. So we're going to put that there. There's the other umbrella. Put it right there. And here is the last umbrella. I will put it right there. Right now, at this point, at this stage, like, I already love what I'm seeing. And then I have these boxes. I don't know what's in these. Well, I think there are lights in these smaller boxes. I don't know, this must be lights in here, like for the soft boxes and the umbrellas. That must be the light, but I don't know what's in these boxes. Probably the stand, because it comes with a whole stand. So I'm gonna keep that and take off the boxes. Everything that's in white, I'm going to take out. So I'm going to start opening the little white boxes so you guys can see what's in it. No, okay. So this is like a switch. This goes in front of the umbrella. So this, okay. So hold on. So the umbrella goes in here, this little opening right there. So the umbrella goes in there. Come on. How are you gonna do this to me on camera? Okay, so the umbrella goes in there. Really? The umbrella goes in there, and then you have a light here that shines against the umbrella, the inside of the umbrella, and you could see the shimmer in here, so this kind of reflects and gives you like a beautiful light. Umbrella, I should have 3 of these. I have all 3 of them unpacked. So far, so good. Everything that they said was in there at this time is in there. So we have 3 because we have 3 different umbrellas. Okay, so we move on. Let's get to the stands or something. These must be lights, of course. Yep. These are, well, the lights were packaged really well as well. So just to avoid any breakages. So again, good packaging. So this is the lights that I'll put either in front of that or in the middle of the softbox lighting. So I have 6. I have 6 of those. No, 4. Another great package. That's the second one. And then we have the 3rd one. Good, well packaged. I need to give them that on their package strategy. Like, this is really good. So we have 4 lights that go. I think 2 go to the softbox and 2 go to the black umbrella. And now let's unpack these. I think these must be the stands. Oh yes, thank you. So it comes with 4 stands. Where's my phone? 4 stands right now. So some of these stands are for the soft boxes. There we go. So to the picture. So this is what adjusts. This is what goes up and down. So, and then you just tie that to the length that you want, and you're good to go. So it comes with 4 of these. So there's 1 here. And then there's 2. So I'm just doing this talking while I'm unpacking, but once I start to really put this together, I'm not going to talk at all, so I can speed up the video a little bit. So this is the second one. So these are for the soft boxes and for the 3 umbrellas. So I should have 3. I should have 3. 3 for the umbrellas. So you just have to use a little bit more muscle to just do that. So this can go there. We have the second one here. And then we have the 3rd one. I'm thinking to myself, like, the unboxing is not even the work that I'm thinking this is going to require. Like, putting this stuff together to make it into a full studio is what is going to require a lot of work. So this is the 3rd one. And then I have the last one here. Again, great packaging. Great. I normally don't usually talk about the way people pack the stuff that I buy, because it's not all that great most of the time, but this is worth talking about. You guys probably agree with me. Like, this is awesome. Oh, there we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the clips. It comes with 3 different clips. 3 different clips, 1, 2, and 3. Now what these clips do is whatever background you decide to pick, you don't have to worry about having a clip or having to clip the background on top of the stand. So it comes with the clips, and I was happy about that because I did not want to buy clips on their own. So this is really good that it comes with the clips. And then we have the last stand. I think I need to put these away to have more room. This is like the major stand, and it comes into this bag. So you just unwrap it like that. But this is good. So this is the stand, the main stand, which has two drop down stands, and then it has one over that you can clip the background on. So you'll see how everything's gonna come together. So we have four stand parts over there, and then we have one that's just like these other 4 that I showed you guys earlier. Well, I might as well take it out because we're going to fix this. And then we have another one. Okay, so no screws. Okay. I hope I don't have to do a lot. Okay, I'll still keep this. Last but not least, you guys, it comes with a bag. Now this is what I loved so much about it, is it comes with a whole bag. So I love my space, and I'll probably be filming mostly here or upstairs. So if I'm done filming, I'm not going to leave that studio up there. I'm going to pack it in this beautiful huge bag. I'm not going to pack it right now because I need to set the studio so you guys can see exactly how it looks like. So without further ado, wish me luck, guys.
So this is how the entire set looks like. So you guys will see me setting this up in the part 2 of this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the part 2 of this video.